Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. We only want to focus on the smaller time frame price action. I'm, regularly showing you the bigger picture and the overall wave count here. But let's just take a look at the micro price action because in the in the very short term, Link hasn't really given us any confirmation that a low formed here on the 5th of July. So there's no confirmation yet. We've seen a rally. That rally took shape as an ABC structure, testing previous swing highs from July and June. The area around $14.90. This area couldn't be broken. So yeah, price tried, but it was not really a sustained break, and it was more like, okay, we had an attempted break and the price has retraced since then. Correction again, very protracted. It's only in 3 waves down so far, so it doesn't seem like an impulse to the downside. And the only bullish count I can really make out here, identify really, is an ABC structure in wave 1, an ABC structure in wave 2, and if the price is holding the previously communicated micro support area between $11.73 and $13.15, we could see a third wave rally from there, then a wave 4 and a 5. The third wave would have to be an ABC structure, the 5th wave as well, 4th wave anyway, and then we have a larger 5-wave move. We could call that then wave 1, then we'll add the wave 2 support area. But until we really get those 5 waves, possibly towards $20, $21, there isn't really any confirmation that a lasting low has been established. But I told you before that as soon as we get a sustained break above the green line, so that means $14.90, $15 plus, as soon as we see that, yeah, my assumption would be that we've bottomed. At least I would track it as a primary count. Definitely, I'm already tracking it. I'm giving you support regions, and the reward to risk ratio is definitely here positive for the bulls. However, it's only a 3-wave rally, so I don't have that confirmation that we've bottomed. No, it's only moving, well, it's sort of moving down. The rally was corrective, and it can only work as a diagonal, really. So to the downside, however, as well, if I consider the move down that bottomed on the 5th of July as an A wave, the rally here into the 21st of July high as a B wave, then wave C to the downside could be unfolding and send us down to around about $8.90. Seems very likely, at least, to land somewhere between these FIB levels here, 1066 to 890. But it would require a break below 1173 for further confirmation, and then a break below the red line, which is sort of a range boundary line, below $11 would be further confirmation. And this, however, would only work as a diagonal pattern to the downside as well. So I don't really have a clear confirmation where the market wants to go. We just have to wait for the breakout. It's a range, looks a bit like a rectangle pattern. It takes a break of support to give us more clarity. 3 waves down and 3 waves up, it doesn't give us much clarity. Might even be that a triangle is unfolding here, even though that's way too early to confirm that. And yeah, so I think we just have to be patient, wait for the break. The levels are very, very clear. Just note that obviously a break to the upside would mean that we're likely following a diagonal, so the movements will likely be very corrective and choppy, but to the downside as well. So we have to expect that morphing, transforming of micro patterns. Overall, the overall bullish scenario is a reasonable interpretation, which could take the price to $90 plus in the next larger rally to the upside once this correction is complete. And it's let's say it's not reliable, but it's a reasonable interpretation as long as we're holding that $6.90 support level. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.